It's going down today. Another custom basketball court using Leggari products. Have you ever wondered why so many contractors are holding training classes now in the coating industry? It's because of the money they make. Why would a contractor train competitors or other contractors in his industry? It's because the money that they're making off of these classes. They're making more money off these classes than they are on the installs. And just think about it. They're charging the customer for the install. They're charging attendees to come. They're probably getting discount on products because they're training guys on a certain product, and then they're getting free labor out of it. So I just encourage you to really look into these classes and see what you're actually getting out of it. And if you start to look and check into photos of these classes, you're gonna see most of the time guys are standing around filming on their phone. They're doing small little sections on floors. Most of the hands-on time is grinding, prepping, patching, sanding, maybe some mixing. And it's like, you guys went there to learn this industry. That's what you were told, to get all this hands-on time. And that's not the case. So go check out LeggariAcademy.com and see the difference. So we're on day 3 of the install. This video is gonna be awesome because you guys are gonna see a lot of different applications using the same product. So we're doing black grout lines on this basketball court. We're on another job with a local contractor. This project is being filmed for the Academy, but we wanna give you guys, sneak peeks, highlights of these projects, because we always love to show you the possibilities of our products. There's so many different applications that you can do with all of our product lines. And so this is gonna be black grout lines. We're gonna have, these planks are pretty small, so they're 6-inch planks. You can do, the cool thing about these kits is you can do any design you want. It just comes down to how you tape it out. So we have our planks, we have our 3-point line, we got our key, everything's dialed, ready to get coated. And the hardwood look of this floor is gonna be a white and like a dark gray, and it's gonna be a really light floor, and all those black grout lines are gonna pop. And so we're literally getting ready, mixing station set up right over there, and we are getting ready to lay down the wood grain coat using our texture coat concrete overlay product. So gonna be an awesome video. This thing's gonna look phenomenal when it's done. This is, I think this is our second basketball court that we've done a really custom, unique design in it using our hardwood kits. So enjoy it. So we're about to throw down the wood grain texture, but before we do that, I want to talk about our hardwood system. A lot of options, a lot of color options, and when you guys are doing tape designs, you can do anything you want. Any size planks, any widths, maybe you want to do tile patterns, it's all up to you, and we have so many different options. Check out the other hardwood kits that we've done in the past. You pouring out of that in there?
Yeah, that's crazy. Typically, dude.
Out of a 5? There ain't no way you're pouring in that.
Show him, Brian.
Yeah, show me. We're gonna get this on film. We're gonna get this on film for you guys. He says he's gonna pour out of that 5-gallon bucket into this little bugger. So,
Yeah,
nah, dude, I want to see it. No, come on.
do it, Brian. I swear.
Hey, if anyone can do it, I'm assuming you're the guy. So show me.
I think James needs to go back in old films and pull it up.
Hey, show me.
Sure he's caught me on.
Hey, I can't. I mean, it's sketchy pouring that into a 5-gallon bucket. So.